In the equity markets, taking a look at the September NASDAQ, which led the big three today, second only to Russell in terms of performance on a percentage basis, up 75 basis points on the highs today, reaching a new all-time high again intraday. 15,699 was the high in the September NASDAQ futures. On the downside, really unchanged, 3 basis points or 3/100ths of 1% difference at 15,578.58. Eighth new intraday record high for the NASDAQ since the start of August. We ended up pulling back a little bit in toward the close, finishing the day right around 0.25% higher. Weak ADP numbers helped drive interest rates down to a level that was pretty much stable with the rest of the week. So that weaker than expected ADP private payrolls raised the hopes that the Federal Reserve would stick with stimulus as opposed to tapering sooner than the market likes. The NASDAQ definitely likes lower to stable rates. We got that today with the 10-year still sitting right around 130, just below 130 on the lows of the day. US ADP came in at 374,000 jobs added. The expectations were for 613, not really well correlated from a historical perspective to the non-farm payrolls. We'll get that in 2 days, and we'll see what that does to rates. But the NASDAQ definitely likes rates to at least be stable. Now, defensive sectors led the sector story, believe it or not tech. Utilities and real estate were up about 1.25% and about 1.5% respectively. So tech and cyclicals kind of rallied together. Both information technology and communication services were both up as sectors, but not near as much as real estate and utilities, although we saw Apple reach a new all-time high today. We finally got some movement in those FANG stocks as a whole, as a group. We hadn't seen that in quite some time. Even though tech has led on multiple days, FANG has kind of lagged behind. So all in all today, strong day for the NASDAQ, higher than the S&P, higher than the Dow, slightly behind the Russell in terms of settlement.